Start.
Hello everyone, myself Aryan Pandey and my friend and are here to represent our project Automatic Nightlight System. Our project main aim is to prevent the consumption of light. There are three major components in our project: relay module, LDR sensor and Arduino UNO. Now my friend Aditya Patak will explain our project.
Hello everyone, my friend has told you about this project and the aim of this project. So there are main three components: relay module, LDR sensor and Arduino. First I will explain about Arduino. So Arduino UNO is the main controller of this project, or main brain controller of this project, like a CPU that controls the whole computer. Like this Arduino UNO controls the whole project. Second, this is the LDR sensor. It is a sensor that detects the intensity of light. Then we have relay module. Relay module is just a switch like but this is a magnetic switch used to on off the project. Now my friend Viraj will demonstrate you the project.
Now my friends have been explained and given the introduction of the components. Now I will be demonstrating this project how it works. It works on like when the LDR sensor detects the low intensity of light around our surroundings, then it gives the signal to Arduino. Then Arduino gives the signal to relay module. Then our bulbs lights up. Like now you can see in our project, when I give some darkness from my hands, that time it used to glow because of low intensity of light. Now you all are thinking that how we can use it in our daily life. It is a we can conserve the light through this project. For example, in street lights, and sometimes in a school only, the classes used to be like on lights. So if this project is being used there, so there is a less consumption, and it is also budget friendly, and we can go over through this also. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.